Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an Amazon unboxing from my Amazon wishlist, and I have already opened this because when I went to my relatives I had some other Amazon packages I had to pick up, so I wasn't expecting a painting from a wishlist. So I opened it and I was like, oh my god, I've got to quickly put it back in the box because I didn't realise that it was a painting. So I have opened this already, and we've got two paintings in here, one of which is a Disney theme, one of which is an animal. And whoever's got this, there's no note inside, but can I honestly thank you so much, because I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting for this Disney painting right there. Now, this painting has been on my wish list for some time, and I'll get into the first one first of all. And I was over the moon when I saw this. I was like, no bloody way, because I've had this on my wish list for so long, and you know when you're sort of debating, do I get it, do I not? And yeah, I can't believe it. I'm really happy that it's in that lovely flat section, but as you can see, it's the little Disney castle thing. It's so cute. Now, I have noticed whoever buys these, it seems to be whenever I get a completion, like whenever I come to the end of a canvas, I get the impression that whoever gets me this likes to get me another one when I get to the end of the canvas. And I'm wondering if it's from the same person that sent me that snow tiger with the pens and the butterfly. So this one's quite interesting because it's saying up here that there's an email or something, tianfancem@hotmail.com. So that's interesting, after sales service, which you don't normally get on paintings, which is quite nice. But yeah, I saw this and I was like, oh wow. I don't think it's from my dad because he would have said. And in here, oh, that's a nice kit. Look at that. Look at that. We have, it's a green boat with a spout, but we have some baggies, so I'll get them out to you, Tessa, because I don't keep bags. And then I've got the pink pen with the squidgy and the wax. Isn't that gorgeous? But to get another one of them wider trays, it's like they're getting the idea. They just need to do a little bit more product design and get the spout put on it. So yeah, let's take a look at the canvas. I love the way they keep this flat, but look, I finally got the Disney castle. I'm so happy with this right now. This, I cannot tell you how happy I am to get this finally. And this is going to be a really, really beautiful painting. I get the impression that whoever's got me this knows that I like Disney, they know that I like animals, and they know that I like colour block. And this is really, really gorgeous. It's got 24 colours in it. It's a 30x40, and you've got so much colour block in it. As you can see, you've got, I think that's Minnie and Mickey. This is what we would call the old style situation, because this is, from what I can see, it's a pixelated one. Because we can see down there that it's not really, we can't really tell what it's supposed to be. It's either Minnie or Mickey. I think it's Minnie and Mickey just watching on the castle. I think this might be a boat. I think that's probably the lights of the boat, but I'm really, really itching to get into this right now. So yeah, that's that one. And we're gonna get into, sounds like Bugs Bunny then. And in here we're going to get into our drills. So really, really fabulous. I wish they could do all paintings flat like this. That would be amazing. So we've got two different ones here. So we'll get that out like so. And as you can see in this one, we've got some really gorgeous colours. This is a purple, a dark grey, an orangey sort of colour, a light blue, a purple. We've got two sets of blue there, so as you can see it's going to be quite a colour block one. And we've got a light blue, a dark blue, and sort of baby blue there. So we'll put them over to one side. The next session we have got is really heavy on blue. As you can see, we've got dark blue, we've got a midnight sort of blue, a more darkish blue, and near enough, that's a tad lighter than that, but as you can see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be great for colour blocking. You've got like a terracotta colour there with a bit of a orange colour, another sort of midnight blue there. some peaches or vanilla, lilac, turquoise, orange, I was going to say maroon or brown, and then we got like a, that's an interesting colour, I don't think I've had that one, I'm not sure, in butterscotch maybe, and then like a chocolate mocha sort of colour there. So yeah, that's that one. And then this blew me away when I got this. I was like, no way, because this, someone who knows that I like animals and someone who knows that I like cheetahs. So when I saw this on my wish list, when I saw I had this as well, I was like, yes, because this has been on for my wish list for so long, and I do work on quite a few different cheetah paintings. But what I love about this is whoever's got me this has good taste, because they know what to pick and what I like. So, because believe you me, there's tons of diamond paintings on my wish list. So I'm always, whenever I get one come through, I then have to keep uploading more for the wish list. So there's plenty on there. But this is gorgeous. Look at his little eyes looking through the bush. It's brilliant. It's like he's been spotted in the bush and now he's just like staring at you. This is gonna be one gorgeous painting. We've got lovely foliage going around the edge here. The detail is absolutely amazing. It's really sharp, really nice print. So you can see here, this is what I was saying about pixelated. So if we look here, you can see it's very sort of pixelated. This is the old style of diamond painting, because as you can see with the detail, and then if we look there, you can see the rendering is a lot more better. So this is absolutely gorgeous. I think the green is really gonna like bring this character out, and yeah, it's gonna be one hell of a gorgeous painting. And then in here we've got a flower of some sort. There's another flower there and a flower with this dark green around it. It's going to really pump that, pop that picture. And then we've got another foliage here as well. Looks like a giant watermelon or a leaf. And then we've got some whiskers here. Even the detail of the whiskers are quite nice. This is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, absolutely over the moon with this. And we've got 26 colours in that. We're going to get to our boat now. So the boat is very nice because we've got two of these crystal pens. They do like to be generous, don't they? It's very rare that you get two in one pack, but to get that as well, and they've included a multiplacer. Even though they've got a multiplacer there, they've got a pink squodgy, they've got a boat, and they've got a pink wax. And look, we get some baggies, so we'll get them out to you, Tessa, no problem at all, because I don't keep bags. And then in here, see, this is what you want. You want a lovely painting, all nice and flat with the drills. So really lovely, and I love the way they tape it. I love the way they tape the boat to the painting. And then in here, oh yes, these greens look really beautiful. And we've got an orange, a dark forester green there, very similar to my Eddie Stobart. If we bring up my Eddie Stobart for a minute, this is a lorry build that I'm working on. And as you can see, when I mention the Eddie Stobart, it looks very similar to that. So as you can see, I build the Eddie Stobart, and it's got a little driver's cabin there. So that's what I mean about the Eddie Stobart when I say the Eddie Stobart. Anyway, so that's that sort of colour green. Then we've got a brown, mid sort of brown, and look at this, lime green. Really lovely colours. It's got a lime green, a slightly darker green, and then it goes into that darker green, and then an even darker green. So you've got 4 different greens there, as well as the one up there. I'm going to call it 5 greens. A very vibrant red there, and we've got a slate grey, probably a browny sort of colour there. A gorgeous, I don't know about that, because I would say red or burgundy, and then we got the classic 310 blacks there. And then if we get on to the next one, we have this one here is, as you can see, orange, and we've got ourselves some browns, a lovely creamy peach there, and a hot pink, and a baby pink, and we've got a lovely green, and then a lovely vibrant pink there, greys and oranges and a little bit of peachy vanilla, I would say, brown, and this gorgeous white. So can I honestly say to whoever got me this, thank you so very much. This really means a lot, and it's really lovely because that's 2 more off my wish list and 2 more I'm itching to get into, and I really want to get started on this now. So this will be part of my Disney theme at some point, because I want to do a Disney theme, but it's not made it on the run this year, but I might work on this ready for next year. And then this is just, oh, it's so cute. Even with his like little nose there as well, I think that's really going to bring out that colour. So can I just say a massive thank you to whoever it is. Obviously I don't know who it's from because there's no note inside the parcel, so I'm wondering if it's the same person that got me the white lion and the butterfly. Now the white lion, if it is the same person, that's going to be started in December, so we're only around the corner for that. Because the tigers are giving me a sort of like wintry sort of vibe, so I'm going to say that they're winter tigers, and we're going to be working on that in December, so only around the corner there. But as I say, thank you so very much for this lovely gift, and I can't wait to get into them. It's really been a lovely unboxing, and I was like in total shock because like I had other Amazon packages. What the hell is that? I had other Amazon packages, and it was really shocked me, and I opened it up and I was like, oh my god, I better put it back in the box. So because I get so many parcels sometimes, it's difficult to work out what's in what box, so half the time they will split it. So this was just a really lovely surprise, and I can't wait to get into it. But if you want to get me a gift and you want to see it being unboxed on the channel, you can check out my wish list on the Amazon wish list in the description of my video. All gifts that I get will be featured on the channel, and they will be drilled and whip and chat as well. So please remember to like, share, subscribe. As I said, a massive huge thank you to whoever very kindly got me this. It really means a lot. And yeah, I just can't believe I've got that one that I've wanted for so long. So yeah, until then, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future upload videos, and I'll see you next time for another diamond painting unboxing. Catch you later.